right. This is 2002 Acura RSX. Customer would like to have a smoke headlights. I'm going to change out that. And this is a new headlights. First step, you're going to remove these clips on the top. Some are missing. Okay, so we're going to remove those clips on the top. I'll put the link on the description what we use and also headlights. It's a two-part clip, so the top comes out first and the bottom comes out. Turn the wheel. These bumpers, they got hit. They're supposed to have a screw right above my finger, right here. I'm going to remove that. Phillips? Either, I don't know, Phillips or Fitment. Oh, it's already out. It's broken, but take it out. I think it's 10mm maybe. It wasn't broken, it's Phillips. We're gonna fix this one. Okay, so we got both side clips are busted. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a metal clip right here so it holds it in place. So once you have that out, you can remove the, there's also a whole bunch of 10mm. A lot of times you don't take it out, the bottom section. Simply bring the entire bumper down so you can access the bolt. There are two 10mm up there. There should be one up here and another one on this corner. Let's see. It's missing, but straight below this headlight. There's supposed to be another one, but that's missing. No, it's not there. Take this one. Had that out. Entire headlight. Maybe there's another one. I didn't see that hole down there. See if there's another one down there. It's actually, I thought this was the one, but it's not. All the way down, like straight down here. It's about 6 inches deep. There is another 10mm. You're gonna need. Even longer. This one is so rusted, you kind of have to break loose. It may break.
We can put without this screw.
Is it real fake?
Oh my god.
Where? They've been looking for him.
Who?
God.
Wait.
Disconnect all that.
You like my Rolex?
No está bien.
Don't worry, you are with me.
Just going to reverse what we did. Put all the plugs back in. See that white mountain over there, ugly looking? That's the silicone because we decided to put LED lights. And he decided to put about half gallon of silicone there. Okay. Plug. That's it. No, uno more underneath. Beautiful guy.
Let me start the car.
All right.
Please,
Oh.
let's crash.
Something happened.
Why?
Okay.